I'm standing at the trunk of ARAUCARIA BIDWILLI. Dr. Bidwill was an Australian and this tree comes from Australia. Lalbagh has 7 ARAUCARIA trees. The flagship tree is called ARAUCARIA auricana. The genus is named after an Indian tribe called the Araucana tribe, which you have in Chile. And the flagship tree is also called the monkey puzzle tree. This tree is often called the false monkey puzzle tree. It comes from Australia. Now all ARAUCARIA trees, when you cut a notch in the trunk or on the branches, they exude resin like here. That's resin. Now, given the right conditions and 50 to 60 million years, this resin might turn into amber. This is how amber is found. 90% of the amber in the world comes from ARAUCARIA trees. Now, what is fascinating is that all ARAUCARIA trees currently grow endemically, that is naturally, in the southern hemisphere. Almost all amber in the world is found north of the Dominican Republic and in the northern hemisphere. Now this is the amber, and it just looks like an innocent thing, but it's very, very important from many points of view, apart from the aesthetic beauty of the pearly light. In amber, there are insects which are often caught, and they're trapped in the amber. And it's like plastic with orchid flowers, which you see in places like Thailand. The same way insects are embedded, and you can clearly see what they are, beetles or other insects. That is a method of cross-checking the dates of what were lived when. Now all ARAUCARIA trees go back about 200 million years old, 200 million years in the world, and the leaves of the ARAUCARIA tree which you see behind the glass house, that is ARAUCARIA cooki or New Caledonian pine, are very soft and were eaten by dinosaurs. However, the leaves of this tree have very, very sharp pointed edges. And I remember somebody asking me why this is also an ARAUCARIA tree, why it has these sharp edges. And I remember the same person, after a little thought, telling me that maybe this is to prevent the leaves from being eaten. They are so sharp, because I can't find any reason why this tree should have such sharp leaves when other ARAUCARIA trees have very, very soft leaves.